students, in this video you will learn multiplication of the operation of algebras. See, first one is multiplication of two monomials. Product of two monomials equal to product of their numerals coefficient into product of their variable parts. So here example, just find the product of 3x cube y and minus 5x square y cube. See, this is the number given. We have to just find out the product. The product, that is a rule is, that is the coefficient of their constant term, that is the numerical parts. 3 into 5. First is, this is plus into minus, it will be sign will be minus. 3 into 5, it will be 15. Then x cube into x square equal to x cube of 5 and y into y cube equal to x to the power 4. This is actually the product of their variable part. Next one is, suppose 5abc into minus 2a cube b into b cube by c, b cube c divided by 5a square. So here you have to simplify the first one, that is the coefficient of the numerical parts. That is this is 5, it will be cutted off 5. This is a square, here is a cube, then we can just cut this number. This is minus 2a into b because a square is cutted off. Now all these numbers are now in the numerator. Then just try to just do this, the sign pass, that is minus into plus, that it will be minus. This will be 2, only 2 is remaining over here, the numerical parts. A into a square, and b into b is b cube into b into b cube into b into another b, this will be b5, and c into c equal to c square. So in this way you can do a series of monomials, multiplication of the series of the monomials. Next is multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial using the distributive law. You know that is a into b plus c, it will be a into b plus a into c. Using this distributive law we can just multiply over here. Suppose 5xy into 2x square y minus 3x y square minus 5 is given. This is the one polynomial is multiplied by one monomial. So this is 5 into this a into b, no, a into b, this 5xy into 2x square y minus this is 5xy into 3x y square, this is minus 5xy into 5. So it is coming 10x cube y square minus 15x y cube minus 25x. Say multiplication of two binomials. Suppose a plus b one binomial, another binomial c plus d. What you actually have to do, that is the first term of the first binomial into the second binomial and expression, and plus, that is along with the sign, second term of first that is our expression into the, that is the second binomial. That is, it is coming a into c and a into d plus b into c plus b into d. This is actually the process you need to multiply into multiply of two binomials. Now I am just giving one example. Suppose you have to multiply this one, 10x plus 8y into 4x minus 3y. It will be, say, this is first term of this first binomial is 10x into the second binomial 4x minus 3y plus 8y into 4x minus 3y. So it is multiplied, this will be 10 40 x square minus 3 into 10 30 xy plus 32 xy minus 24. See, it is, there are two like terms are there, we need to simplify that one. That is 40 x square, this is actually 32, this is 30, that is 2xy and minus 24y square. So this is the product of these two binomials. Now if you want to just find out the product of this trinomial with binomial, then what you have to do? This is actually the row method. It was actually the row method. Another way, in the column method I am showing, you can also just add up any one, whatever your choice. Now see here, This is the trinomial is given 2x square minus 3x plus 5, and another binomial is given 5x plus 3. In the column method we are just doing. See, 5x into first term, that is 5. We are just now actually multiplying that is with the first term the whole expression. 5x into 2x square means 10x cube minus plus into minus 15x square plus 25x plus of 3. This is the second term is plus 3. We are multiplying this whole term over here. The plus 3 into 2x square is 6x square plus into minus 9x plus 15. So now you are just adding all these things. That is 10x cube. This will be 9x square. This will be 16x and this will be 15. So students, I have shown you different that is monomial, binomial and trinomial with polynomial product. I have shown you the different process. Also that is a row method and also column method. Try to just solve. This is the exercise number 6b as much as possible. I shall just do another video just to show some more problems from the exercise of 6b. Thank you very much.